Hey friends, thanks so much for coming along on this adventure with me. I'm really happy you're here. I'm in Santa Fe, New Mexico today at Meow House of Eternal Return. People are always asking me, so what exactly is Meow Wolf? And honestly, it's kind of hard to explain. The easiest way I could put it is it's an immersive art experience, but that still doesn't do it justice. It's not something you just look at. You actually step inside, wander through it, and explore every bit of it. The second you walk in, you get totally pulled into another world. At first, it might kind of feel normal, but then you start noticing things are a little off. It's like the place was left behind in a hurry, but you can't quite figure out why. As you keep going, you start spotting all these little clues tucked everywhere. You'll open drawers, peek behind doors, read notes people left behind. Every corner feels like it's a part of some bigger story, and you can't help but wonder, what happened here? Where did everyone go? It really feels like they just vanished. That's the best part. You're not just watching, you're actually investigating. So, if you see a door, open it. If something looks like you can crawl through, go for it. If there's a note or a book, take a second to read it. You never know what you'll find. Either way, I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope this gives a good overview of what you can expect at Meow Wolf House of Eternal Return. I have to see where this goes, I guess. Oh, wow. That was pretty tiny in here. And that's where I came from, right there. So, guess we gotta climb through to get out of here. Think about these, every Meow Wolf exhibit, they're designed to stimulate so many of your senses. You know, visually, audibly, you can touch everything. There's a lot of interactive exhibits, music, just sounds, video, all kinds of stuff. It just blows my mind every time I come to one. I've never been to Santa Fe. It's the first time. I didn't do any research on it. Had no idea what the storyline was, what I was going to see. So this is really a treat. It's really awesome. Let's go see what's around the corner. It's a very tiny staircase here. Got a very tiny staircase. Wow, can barely fit in here. Whoa, that was really tight. Whoa. That was really small. Back in the house. Yep.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Here. Yeah, that's cool.
Bedroom? The kids' room, I think.
That's cool. That's awesome.